Good morning to the students. Now, we already completed the revision classes also in quadratic equation. Some more problem there are essay type problems, and already you completed these problems also. Look very carefully. This is for the examination, coming examination. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Okay. Find the speed of the train. Okay. So a train is traveling at a uniform speed. It travels 360 km. Okay. If the speed had been 1 km, 5 km speed increases 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the journey. That is the concept. You look at that idea. Let the speed of train equal to x. And distance is already given as 360 km. And time equal to distance divided by speed. So that's equal to 360 divided by x. That's the time. Okay. And if it is increased 5 km more, if the speed increases 5 km more, it is x plus 5. And that time is equal to distance divided by speed, that is 360 divided by x plus 8. You get the data. And the difference between these two times is given 1 hour. So 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5, that is given 1. That is 1 hour. You get the idea? And by cross multiply, you get here. Cross multiply 360 into x, 360x minus 360 into 5, I think it is 1800 minus cross multiply, you get 360x divided by x into x square, x into 5x equal to 1. You get the idea? Is it over? 360x minus 360x cancels. So it is this is plus 360 into x, 360 into 5 is plus 1800. 1800 by x square plus 5x is equal to 1. Again cross multiply. X square plus 5x equal to 1800. Is it clear the equation? And that's equal to, if 1800 transferred to the left side, x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. You get that? Now it is quadratic equation. Are you ready to complete the next part of the problems? Okay, are you ready? So by using quadratic formula, you complete it. You get an exact answer. Okay. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to minus 1800. By using quadratic formula, you complete. You get a positive answer and a negative answer. Positive answer is your answer. Okay, you remember the remaining part of the problem? So do it as a home assignment on the basis. Next one same type of problem. That is, two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. That's given. And the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Okay. That means smaller diameter 10 മണിക്കൂർ കുറവ് മതി larger diameter ഉള്ള പൈപ്പ് തുറന്നാൽ. You get the idea? And the question, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller diameter to fill the tank separately. Find the time which each pipe can separately fill the tank. Time taken by each pipe to fill the tank. Are you ready? Now look here. If the time taken by the smaller tap is x, okay, is it clear? And larger one, it take 10 hour less. Is it 10 hour less? So actually it is x minus 10. Otherwise, if the diameter of the larger pipe, that is larger diameter pipe taken x, so automatically smaller one is x plus 10, because larger diameter tap take 10 hour less. So if you assume the time taken by the larger pipe is x hours to fill the tank, and that of the smaller type is automatically x plus 10. You get the idea and complete it. A tan filled by this is 1 by x, other one is 1 by x plus 10. Is it clear? That's if you add it, you complete this by it's a mixed fraction. If you make it improper fraction, it is 75 by 8. So a tank filled by the smaller tap and by the larger tap, that's equal to 1 by 75 by 8. Otherwise it is by the reciprocal unit 8 by 75. Once again, 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10 equal to, that is 8 by 75. The meaning is a tap filled by the smaller pipe and that of the larger pipe. If you add a tap by, that is the reciprocal of this, so that's equal to 8 by 7. And you cross multiply. You get the idea. Then cross multiply, you get like this. Now multiply, here it is x plus 10 plus, here it is x. X into x, x square, x into 10, 10x, that's equal to 8 by 75. And here x plus x is 2x plus 10 by x square plus 10x equal to 10 by 70. Then cross multiply, 8 into x square, 8x square, 8 into 10, 80x equal to 75 into 2x, 150x, 75 into 10, 750. 75 into 2x, 75 into 10. So all the terms transferred to this side, 8x square plus 80x is correct. Minus 150x minus 750 equal to 0. That is 8x square. If you add this, you get minus 70. And the number is minus 750 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus bc. If you complete it, you get the answer. Once again, look here. A is equal to 8, B is equal to minus 70, C is equal to minus 750. So what is B square minus 4AC? Whether you find the discriminant. Discriminant is B square minus 4AC. That is minus 70 square minus 4 into 8 into the number is minus 750. This number is 4900. Negative square is positive. Remember that. Minus into minus plus. 4 into 8, 32 into 750. That is 750 into 32. That is 1500. So that is equal to, you will see that. Is it 24,000? 24,000. Is it clear? And you add, you get 900 and 28,900. Is it clear? Once again, this is the equation. A is equal to 8, B is equal to minus 70, C is equal to minus 70. B square minus 4AC you completed. I think it is. And 289 is the root 289 is 70. So root 28,900 is 107. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. You remember quadratic formula? Minus b means minus minus 70. Already b is negative side. Root of 28,900 divided by 2 into a is equal to 8. Minus minus is plus. The value is 170 divided by, this is 60. And other value is 70 minus 170 divided by 60. Is it clear? And if you add, you get 240 divided by 60. Is it correct? And other value is minus 100 divided by 60. You divide it, you get exact. I think it is exactly divisible 15 times. That is not exactly divisible. I think it is negative 25 divided by 4. If you simplify, you get it. We really want this negative value because speed is always positive. I think it is time. So time is also positive. So the time taken by the larger pipe is 15 and the smaller pipe is 15 plus 10. 15 because it is x plus 10. 25. So your answer is 15 and 25. Get the idea? Okay. And I will give you home assignment of this later. Prepare well. ഇനി 4 ദിവസമാണ് കേട്ടോ. ഞാൻ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇടയിൽ ഒരു ഗൂഗിൾ മീറ്റിൽ ഒരു ക്ലാസ് കൂടെ ഒരു റിവിഷൻ ക്ലാസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വയ്ക്കാം. നിങ്ങൾ വെൽ പ്രിപ്പയർഡ് ആയിക്കോളും, പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് പ്രിപ്പയർ ആയിട്ട് വയ്ക്കും കേട്ടോ. ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് ഓക്കെ. ഇനി ഇതൊരു ചാൻസ് ആണ്. ഇതിപ്പോൾ ഒരു മെയിൻ എക്സാമിനേഷൻ എഴുതാൻ ഡോണ്ട് ബോതേർഡ് അബൌട്ട് ഇറ്റ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് വെരി ഈസി. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയുന്നത് ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് എഴുതി വയ്ക്കും. മാക്സിമം ട്രൈ ചെയ്യുക, നല്ലപോലെ വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. എന്ത് ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിന് മുന്നേ ചോദിക്കാം. ഈ 2 ചാപ്റ്ററുകളല്ല, ഏത് ചാപ്റ്ററുകളിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചോദിക്കാം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്.